So I opened this box last night because I just couldn't wait, and I was absolutely stunned. This is going to be a completely over-the-top ultimate shapeshifter. Just an epic unboxing. This was designed by Reiden, and I'll leave links in the description to his demonstration and process of creating this puzzle, and other links in the description too. Wow. Just amazing, just incredible. This is an 8x10x12. And Reiden did such a fantastic job. It's so much smaller than I thought it would be. My hands are pretty big. And as you can imagine, oh, I can't believe it's not butter. Reiden's a speed cuber, so he can handle the puzzle better than I can. I'm gonna do a checkerboard the way I know how. The layers are turning so smoothly. There's none of that scratchy noise that usually comes from a 3D printed puzzle. You'll have to forgive my lighting situation right now. It's very early in the morning. I just love the quality of this. You can see some of his other work showcased by Super Antonio Vivaldi. He made a video demonstrating Reiden's 5x5x9 and the 10x10x8. Also leave a link in the description to Reiden's Etsy store. He is an amazing designer, and these puzzles are fascinating. His work's come a long way. I want to show you one of his previous puzzles that I bought and do a size comparison. So this is an early version of his 4x6x8. In some aspects, it's a tiny bit bigger. So this base puzzle is one of the Moyu 12x12s, very small, and it is a stickerless puzzle, which is fine. I think it looks great. The stickers are from Chewy's Custom Stickers. And the time and work that went into this puzzle to super glue all these extensions on and sticker the entire thing. I know that I think he disassembles half the puzzle at a time to put the pieces on. I can't wait to scramble this. I just want to show you a few more of his other puzzles, and I'm sure that if you were to order a 4x6x8 from him now, it would be a much smaller base puzzle in the same family as this Moyu 12x12. This is Reiden's 3x5x7, and these puzzles haven't been the post-processed where the inside of the pieces were sanded, so they make that sound. But as you can see, it's just such a smooth turning puzzle, and I can't wait to scramble it. I'm definitely going to be careful with it. So we got the 4x6x8, I got the 3x5x7, the 5x5x3, and all these have a little bit different sticker colors and he can print them in different colors of plastic too. And the last puzzle I have from him is this puzzle right here, and this is a 5x5x4 bump cube, but it's an I cube. It's actually the mirror version of this right here, and it's a fun puzzle. And I just realized that these are carbon fiber stickers, and I do not have the centers oriented. Not something I'm gonna worry about. So the base puzzle, this 12x12, is only available in stickerless. If it did come in black plastic, I'd be tempted to make a cubic modification. This is my 6x8x10 I made with a Shengshao 10x10. See, one option is you could get 6 of these 12x12s and make force cubes and then make sticker mods, or you could use black stickers, the carbon fiber stickers, and put them over the stickerless puzzle. It's not a look I'm really fond of, but that is a possibility, and I may try it with these Moyu puzzles. So I have a 9x9 and an 11x11, and this is the highest order n by n cube that I have, and so I was really excited to get this modification of the 12x12. Alright, I want to scramble this. This puzzle's an absolute beast. You may have seen one of Super Antonio Vivaldi's video on Twisty Tex's 7x9x11, and that thing was massive. And this is, I'm sure, much smaller than that. I can almost just play with it in my hands. It's nice to have a surface, and it's a little awkward with the camera being right here. See if I can adjust this a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna scramble it. So first I'll just make some 180-degree turns. Already got started on the scramble since I did a checkerboard. I'm being careful with it. I'm not gonna try any corner cutting or but he does demonstrate that stuff in his video, and he can talk a lot more about the process he used to make this. All right. Let's do some shape changing moves here. Let's see, I want to make sure everything's lined up as much as possible. Wow. That's so cool. If you're gentle with it, I mean, the layers just find their home. don't really even have it all the way in frame. Sorry about that. Jeez. This is such a great puzzle. I believe he printed the layers at 0.1 millimeters. Oh, it's such a pleasure to turn it. Great job, Reiden. Great job. This was a good purchase. Haven't had anything pop yet, so that's good. Just kind of shake it a little bit. Let's see, something's not lined up. There we go. I'm using this pad to just kind of rest it on. All right, it's time to scramble it up even more. All right. Oh boy. Wow. So basically now it's an 8x8. And that's a lot of pieces. There's a lot of stuff going on in here. Like, of course it's gonna become a little bit difficult to turn once it's scrambled and hard to align the layers. Yeah, that's tricky. Goodness. It's easy to feel if something's not aligned. It's got a really soft, squishy feel to it that I like. The layers are just like wafer thin. But it seems to be holding up really well. I mean, I'm not trying anything crazy with it. What a mess. Oh my gosh. This is going to be one of those puzzles that will make my back hurt after playing with it. This may very well be the one of the world's first 8x10x12, the first that I've seen. You know, he made a video of it before sending it to me. I've seen some pictures of people working on extensions for the Pillow 13x13. That's interesting.